Welcome back. Thank you very much for joining. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. We are discussing the blending options, and the second last tool under this category is the extrude tool. So how can you extrude any of the object or any of the tool? Let me show you. So click on the extrude, click on any of the object first. So let me select this, and here are the presets which are already available. Click here and here we go. It will be automatically based on the presets which you have selected will be converted. So let me undo instead of this. Here are the multiple options which you can choose as per your choice. Let me undo this, and the same you can apply on any of the other object. For example, we have selected a circle. Let me select this option and click upon, and here we go. The same you can apply on the text also. Like for example, instead of using preset, let me pick up the text, and instead of using preset options, let me show you the more interesting option, and that is with the help of usage of your mouse. For example, I'm interested in doing something like this. So how can you simply select this, because that was just a line work. So the color has to be selected, for example, this, and the outline has to be black, and or maybe the good is the white. And that is how it should looks like. Further, what you can do is you can change the depth of this extrude from 20 to 15 to 10 or to just 5. Or manually, what you can do is just select the text and do it to, let's suppose, here's 6 or 7 points, and I press enter. Here we go. You can see that that has been changed. Further, the X position and the Y position, you can manually do this either with the help of manually filling in the text or the numeric figures, or what you can do is while clicking upon this upper arrow key, here are the changes which you can see, quite obvious that it will be changed. Further, let's move on to the next topic under this, and that is the look or the object. It's pretty simple as such. If you click on page or the object vanishing point, automatically this gives you a lot more crystal clear options of this. For example, let me select this one and let me go to extrusion of the colors. For example, this is the one. Use the fill colors, and to the bottom one will gives you black. Either you can choose white or whatever. And while clicking upon this, let me go and zoom only this section, and with the help of shift F2, or let me select this one, and with the help of F9 for the full screen, you can see that's a pretty good, pretty much handy things which you can create with the help of this tool. Let me escape, and while clicking upon this, the all the objects that will be the tools that properties of these tools that will be available. So let's move on to the extrusion levels. Extrusion levels in fact actually gives you that kind of use blend, and it will be converted into this type of shape. Use a bevel only, so things like this. So let's play with all these type of figures and things like this. So this will in fact allows you to click on the lightings and all those type of things. Like number two, the direction would be this, so that means the bottom area would be black. If you click on number two, and that will be at this point, and same goes to number three. And further, you can change the intensity of the light while playing with all these type of things like this. So pretty interesting tool if you are interested in creating something like with the help of either with the shapes or maybe with any of the object like this. So I hope with the help of these small tips and tricks, you can create the the extruded or 3D effect shapes, either with the text or with the shapes. So that's it for Extrude 2, and hope to speak to you soon into the next topics. Up till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.